Pharmaceutical abbreviation. ADE for adverse drug effect. ADR for adverse drug reaction. AHU for air handling unit. AIDS for acquired immune deficiency syndrome. AMA for antimicrobial agent. ANDA for abbreviated new drug application. ANOVA for analysis of variation. APA for aseptic processing areas. APE for antimicrobial preservative efficacy. API for active pharmaceutical ingredient. APIC for active pharmaceutical ingredients committee. APR for annual product review. AQL for acceptable quality review. ATR for attenuated total reference. AAS for atomic absorption spectroscopy. AZT for International Association for Pharmaceutical Technology. BAN for British approved name. BBB for blood-brain barrier. BCS for biopharmaceutical classification system. BDNA for Bangladesh National Formulary. BET for bacterial endotoxin test. BFS for blow field seal. BI for biologic indicator. BLA for biological license application. BMR for batch manufacturing record. BNF for British National Formulary. BOD for biological oxygen demand. BP for British Pharmacopoeia. BS for British Standard. BSA for body surface area. BSI for British Standard Institute. BSTI for Bangladesh Standard Testing Institute. BTU for British Thermal Unit. BMS for Building Management System. CBC for Complete Blood Count. CCD for Charge Coupled Device. CCP for Critical Control Points. CCU for Critical Care Unit. CDS for Chromatography Data System. CFC for Chlorofluorocarbon. CFM for Cubic foot per minute. CFU for Colony Forming Unit. CGMP for Current Good Manufacturing Practice. CGAMP for Current Good Automated Manufacturing Practice. CGMIP for Current Good Microbiological Practice. CHD for Coronary Heart Disease. CSF for Congestive Heart Failure. CMO for Contract Manufacturing Organization. CNS for Central Nervous System. COA for Certificate of Analysis. COC for Cycloolefin copolymer. COD for Chemical Oxygen Demand. COO for Certificate of Origin. COPP for Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product. COS for Certificate of Standards. COX for Cyclooxygenase. CPK for Capability Index for Process Average. CPK for Process Capability Average. CPP for Critical Process Parameter. CRM for Customer Relationship Management. CRS for Chemical Reference Substance. CRT for Cathode Ray Tube. CS for Comparative Study. CP for centipoise. CPS for centipoise per second. CSQMP for Computer System Qualification Master Plan. CSV for Computer System Validation. CTD for Common Technical Document. CTM for Clinical Trial Material. CV for Coefficient of Variation. CVM for Center for Veterinary Medicine. CVMP for Committee for Veterinary Medical Products. DCS for Distributed Control System. DEC for Dynamic Environmental Conditioning. DEHP for Di-2-ethyl hexyl phthalate. DHFR for dihydrofolate reductase. DHR for Development History Report. DI for Direct Impact. DIP for Dry Powder Inhaler. DMF for Drug Master File. DNA for deoxyribonucleic acid. DO for dissolved oxygen concentration. DOE for design of experiment. DOP for dioctyl phthalate or dispersed oil particulate. DQ for design qualification. DS for design specification. DTL for drug testing laboratory. DUT for device under test. DBM for digital voltmeter. DESI for drug efficacy study implementation. ECG for electrocardiogram. ECSS for environmental control systems. EDTA for ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. ELA for establishment license application. ELN for electronic laboratory notebook. EM for electron microscope. EMA for European Medicinal Agency. EMEA for European Medicines Evaluation Agency. EMI for Electromagnetic Interference. EMS for Environmental Monitoring or Management System. EOP for End of Production. EP for European Pharmacopoeia. EPA for Environmental Protection Agency. EPR for Electron Paramagnetic Resonance. EQ for Equipment Qualification. ERP for Enterprise Resource Planning. ESR for Erythrocyte Sedimentation Rate. ETO for ethylene oxide. ETP for effluent treatment plant. F for phase ratio. FHC for free sale certificate. FAT for factory acceptance test. FDA for Food and Drug Administration. FEFO for Fast Expired Fast Out. FIFO for Fast In Fast Out. FEQ for Facility and Equipment Qualification. FIT for Filter Integrity Test. FTA for Fault Tree Analysis. GC for Gas Chromatography. GABA for Gamma Amino Butyric Acid. GAMP for Good Automated Manufacturing Practice. GAT for General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GCLP for Good Control Laboratory Practice. GCP for Good Clinical Practice. GDP for Good Distribution Practice. GEP for Good Engineering Practice. GHP for Good Hygiene Practice. GLP for Good Laboratory Practice. GMIP for Good Microbiological Practice, GMP for Good Manufacturing Practice, GPS for Global Positioning System, GQS for Global Quality Standards, GRAS for Generally Recognized as Safe, GRN for Goods Receipt Note, GRP for Good Regulatory Practice, HBV for Hepatitis B virus, HCP for host cell proteins, HDPE for High Efficiency Particulate Air, HIC for Hydrophobic Interaction Chromatography, HIV for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, HMI for Human Machine Interface, HPLC for High Performance Liquid Chromatography, HTST for High Temperature Short Time, HVAC for Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning, I for Input and O for Output, IBS for Irritable Bowel Syndrome, ICH for International Conference on Harmonization, ICS for Integrated Circuit Devices, ICU for Intensive Care Unit, IEC for Ion Exchange Liquid Chromatography, IBD for International Business Development, IND for Investigation New Drug, INN for International Non-Proprietarily Name, IOQ for Installation and Operation Qualification, IP for Indicative Price, ISO for International Organization for Standardization, IT for Information Technology, IU for International Units, IUD for Intrauterine Device, IUPAC for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, GIT for Just in Time, GP for Japanese Pharmacopoeia, K for Retention Time, KFDA for Korea Food and Drug Administration, KPA for Kilopascal, LAF for Laminar Airflow, LAL for Limulus Amiboside Lysate, LAN for Local Area Network, LC for Liquid Chromatography, LCL for Lower Control Limit, LDPE for Low Density Polyethylene, LIF for Light Induced Fluorescence, LIFO for Last In Fast Out, LIMS for Laboratory Information Management System, LLOQ for Lower Limit of Qualification, LOD for Loss on Drying, LPS for Lipopolysaccharide, LSL for Lower Specification Limit, LVP for Large Volume Parenterals, MAC for Maximum Allowable Carryover, MAD for Mutual Acceptance of Data, MAP for Mouse Antibody Production, MAS for Microbiological Air Sampler, MC for Moisture Content, MCA for Medicine Control Agency, MCB for Master Cell Bank, MCC for Medicine Control Council, MDI for Matter Dose Inhalers, MEF for Murine Embryonic Fibroblasts, MES for Manufacturing Execution System, MFG for Manufacturing, MSDS for Material Handling Datasheet, MSW for Ministry of Health and Welfare. MIC for Minimum Inhibitory Concentration. MIMS for Monthly Index of Medical Specialists. MLR for Multiple Linear Regressions. MLM for Materials Logistics Management. MMI for Man-Machine Interface. MMV for Murine Minute Virus. MOA for Method of Analysis. MOC for Material of Construction. MOS for Maintenance of Sterility. MPPS for Most Penetrating Particle Size. MRD for Market Requirement Document. MRDS for Minimum Required Distributions. MRP for Material Requirements Planning. MRI for Magnetic Resonance Imaging. MRL for Maximum Residue Limit. MRP for Maximum Retail Price. MS for Mass Spectrometry. MS and T for Manufacturing Science and Technology. MSC for Minimal Sporocidal Concentration. MSDS for Material Safety Datasheet. MVP for Master Validation Plan. MW for Molecular Weight. NiOH for Sodium Hydroxide. NCE for New Chemical Entity. NCR for Non-Conforming Report. NDA for New Drug Application. NDC for National Drug Code. NDIR for Non-Dispersive Infrared. NF for National Formulary. NGT for Nominal Group Technique. NIR for Near Infrared. NLT for Not Less Than. NMT for Not More Than. NMR for Nuclear Magnetic Resonance. NPD for New Product Development. NOEL for No Observed Effect Level. NP for Non-Perishable. NSAID for Non-Steroidal Anti-Inflammatory Drug. NTE for Not to Exceed. OCDDS for Osmotically Controlled Drug Delivery System. OMS for Order Management System. OOS for Out of Specification. OPCS for Optical Particle Counters. OPT for Osmotic Pump Tablet. OQ for Operational Qualification. OQP for Operational Qualification Plan. ORP for Oxidation Reduction Potential. ORS for Oral Rehydration Salts. OS for Operating System. OSD for Oral Solid Doses. OST for Oxidizable Substances. OTC for Over the Counter. OBI for Organic Volatile Impurity Test. O/W for Oil in Water. P&D for Penetration and Distribution. P&ID for Process and Instrumentation Drawings. PABA for Para-aminobenzoic acid. PAG for Polyacerylamide gel. PAGE for Polyacerylamide gel electrophoresis. PAI for Pre-approval inspection. PAO for Polyalpha olefin. PAT for Process Analytical Technology. PBS for Phosphate Buffer Saline. PC for Personal Computer. PCA for Principal Computer Analysis. PCR for Polymerase Chain Reaction. PDA for Parenteral Drug Association. PDB for Positive Displacement Volumetric. PDR for Physician's Desk Reference. PEG for Polyethylene Glycol. PEL for Permissible Exposure Limits. PERT for Product Enhanced Reverse Transcriptase. PET for Polyethylene terephthalate. PFD for Process Flow Documents. PFI for Pharmaceutical Formulation Intermediates. PIC for Pharmaceutical Inspection Convention. PID for Piping and Instrument Diagram. PLC for Programmable Logic Control. PLM for Product Life Cycle Management. PMA for Pharmaceutical Manufacturers. PMS for Premenstrual Syndrome. PP for Polypropylene. PQS for Pharmaceutical Quality System. PPM for Parts per Million. PQ for Performance Qualification. PQA for Preferred Quality Attributes. PQP for Performance Qualification Plan. PRD for Product Requirements Document. PSDS for Product Safety Data Sheet. PTFE for Polytetrafluoroethylene. PTS for Packaging Technical Sheet. PUD for Peptic Ulcer Diseases. PV for Process Validation. PVC for Polyvinyl Chloride. PVP for Process Validation Package. QA for Quality Assurance. QC for Quality Control. QMS for Quality Management System. QP for Qualified Parts. QRM for Quick Response Manufacturing. QSIT for Quality Systems Inspection Technique. QU for Quality Unit. QUP for Quality Working Party. R for Reagent. RCM for Requirements Chain Management. R&D for Research and Development. R or S for Requirements and Specification. RABS for Restricted Access Barrier System. RBC for Red Blood Cell. RCS for Reuter Centrifugal Sampler. RF for Radio Frequency. RFI for Radio Frequency Interference. REP for Request for Proposal. RH for Relative Humidity. RID for Radial Immunodiffusion. RL for Risk Level. RMS for Root Mean Square. RO for Reverse Osmosis. ROPP for Roll on Pilfer Probe. RPM for Rotation per Minute. RS for Reference Standards. RTD for Resistance Temperature Detector. RTM for Requirements Traceability Matrix. RTP for Rapid Transport Port. RX for Take Through. SAL for Sterility Assurance Level. SAS for Surface Air System. SAT for Site Acceptance Test. SAT for Site Acceptance Test. SF for Safety Factor. SIM for Subscriber Identification Module. SIP for System in Place. SDLC for System Development Life Cycle. SDS for System Design Specification. SMS for Short Message Service. SOP for Standard Operating Procedure. SPC for Statistical Process Control. SPM for strokes per minute. SPVP for Sterile Process Validation Package. SSS for Sick Sinus Syndrome. STEL for Short Time Exposure Limit. SUPAC for Scale Up and Post Approval Changes. SULPA for Super Ultra Low Penetrate Air. SBP for Small Volume Parenterals. TAMC for Total Aerobic Microbial Count. TC for Thermocouple. TCA for Transaction Cost Analysis. TDS for Total Dissolved Solids. TGA for Therapeutic Goods Administration. TSM for Trihalomethanes. TM for Trace Matrix. TOC for Total Oxidizable Carbon. TPD for Therapeutic Product Directorate. TPM for Turret per minute. TPN for Total Parenteral Nutrition. TQM for Total Quality Management. TR for Retention Time. TS for Tensile Strength. TSS for Total Suspended Solids. TYMC for Total Yeast and Molds Count. UAD for Unidirectional Airflow. UAT for User Acceptance Testing. UCL for Upper Control Limit. UDAF for Unidirectional Airflow Devices. UF for Ultrafiltration. UHF for Ultra High Frequency. ULPA for Ultra Low Penetrate Air. UPS for Uninterrupted Power System. URS for User Requirements Specification. USP for United States Pharmacopoeia. UV for Ultraviolet. V by V for Volume by Volume. VIRUS Virus for Vital Information Research under SAGE. VMP for Validation Master Plan. VOC for Volatile Organic Carbons. W by O for Water in Oil. W by B for Weight by Volume. WBC for White Blood Cell. WCB for Working Cell Banks. WFI for Water for Injection. WHO for World Health Organization. WIP for Work in Process. WMS for Welfare Management System. XE for Xenon. YTS for Yearly Training Schedule. That's all. Thanks for watching.